A new cryptocurrency platform, BitFund, has been launched in South Africa and is offering access to 20 of the largest digital currencies worldwide. Josh Miltz, who is one of the co-founders of BitFund, joins me now. Josh, thanks so much for your time. Tell me a little bit more about BitFund and exactly what it is that it does.
Sure, thanks for having me on. BitFund is a cryptocurrency investment platform. We identified a number of risks and technical hurdles in the industry that would sort of make it very difficult for your average investor to get into cryptocurrencies, and that's what we've aimed to tackle with our platform. So we've launched a series of crypto portfolios that represent the top 10 cryptocurrencies or the top 20 cryptocurrencies, and it basically makes it much easier to invest into this diverse portfolio of cryptocurrencies for your everyday investor. So for an individual who wants to get into cryptocurrencies, they don't necessarily know how to buy cryptocurrencies. They also don't necessarily know how do I keep my cryptocurrencies safe. BitFund is a great solution because after making an investment into one of our portfolios, your funds get allocated directly into those underlying cryptocurrencies, and we take care of the rest for you. So
so sorry to cut you in there because
Sure.
You can imagine, like in December or last year, crypto was just a buzz thing to be in, looking at the gains recorded by the likes of the popular ones like Bitcoin. And then you come into 2018 and things are really not the same. So what is the investment case for crypto?
Well, for many people, ourselves included at BitFund, it's much more about the technology and the future of the industry rather than the price now and the price in 2 weeks' time. So we've taken a very long-term view of the industry. We thoroughly believe that blockchain is already changing the world and is going to continue to do so. And so as a result, the matter of timing of when you get into crypto is less important. So yes, you may have invested in December and you've definitely realized some losses by this point, if that's the case. But if you're taking a longer term view, as long as you believe in the technology, I would say that there's still an investment case.
How diversified is this fund? Because, I mean, it's made up of 20 different cryptocurrencies, but that are all affected by sort of similar headwinds. You've got, clamping by regulators. You've got now what is a rising incidence of sort of theft in the crypto market, which is a bit weird. But how diversified are they?
Well, to give you an idea of diversification in the number of assets sense, most people these days, especially new entrants to cryptocurrency investing, will only own Bitcoin and maybe Ethereum as well.
Sure.
Those are by far the most popular at the moment, but there's such a variety of cryptocurrencies out there, each solving their own unique problem, that's not very diversified. And so by getting into a portfolio of 10 or 20 cryptocurrencies, you drastically increase your diversification there. And secondly, you mentioned the exchanges getting hacked and funds getting stolen. That's a risk that we take very seriously. So if you're an individual who has the technical know-how to keep your cryptocurrency safe, then that's awesome and you should do that. But many people don't have those skills, and yet they still want to invest in this new exciting asset class. And so what BitFund does is we store all of our clients' cryptocurrencies very securely by using what's called a hardware wallet. And this device looks like a USB flash drive, and it's actually stored in physical vaults at financial institutions. So it's completely offline, and you don't face those same kinds of risks that you would if you were to go and do this yourself.
And lastly, if I'm interested, how much do I need to get going, and what is the annual or monthly fee that I imagine I'd have to pay for you to safeguard my investment?
Yeah, so the minimum deposit is currently 1,000 Rand, so it's not a very high threshold. And basically, once you've invested in a portfolio, our fees are 2.4% annual asset management fee. That covers everything, including the cost of rebalancing your portfolio, the safe storage of your funds, keeping your portfolio diversified, constantly adding new coins onto the platform. All of those costs are covered by our 2.4% annual asset management fee. And eventually, when you decide to withdraw, we charge a 1% exit fee. So there's no hidden costs, and it's a very simple fee structure.